Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the warper effect in Davinci Resolve. So let's start. Alright, so first of all you need to cut out your clip. So in my case that's my clip. Now go with this clip selected into Fusion. Then press Shift and Space by the same time and search for warper. Select warper and press add. Now make sure you're at the first frame of your clip and create some warp points. After you've done this, go create a keyframe right here and go to the end of your clip, and now you can change the position of your warp points to your liking. So now for me it looks like this. Okay, so now I want to show you a more advanced warp effect. So I select my second clip, which is this one, and I go with this clip selected into Fusion. Now again press Shift and Space by the same time and search for Magic Mask. Select Magic Mask and press add. And if you don't got the studio version, then just watch this video right here to rotoscope for free. But for now I just want to mask out my subject, so I select the mirror and I press this track forward then reverse button. Then I open the matte tab and I increase the blur. Then again I press Shift and Space by the same time and I search for warper. Select warper and press add. Then again make sure you're at the first frame and create some warper points. Now create a keyframe at the point locations and go to the end of your clip and change the point locations to your liking. So now it should look like this. Again press Shift and Space by the same time and search for soft glow. Select soft glow and press add. Then decrease the gain to your liking and decrease the glow size. Now go back into the edit page and duplicate your clip by pressing Alt and the left mouse button at the same time. Then just disable this video track shortly, go back into Fusion and delete all of these nodes. Now go back into the edit page and enable your video clip. So now it looks like this. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you. If so, then leave a like or a sub to my channel. And go check the first link in the description to get some nice effects and transitions for Davinci Resolve. Thanks to all supporters, stay creative and bye.